Hey everyone, your girl's back. Hey friends, it's Gabby back here in front of you. I have returned in the YouTube space. It's been very long, I feel like. It's been like 2 weeks. That feels very long to me. SATs are over, thank goodness. But the hustle still goes on. I will be doing a study with a dummy episode. Today, I have my Chromebook over here. This is from the school, but I'm using it anyway. I have homework online. It's called Delta Math, kind of like Khan Academy. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Maybe chit chat a little bit. Anyway, let's get right into it. What's 8 plus 8 minus 14? Hey Siri, what's 8 minus 14?
8 minus 14 is -6.
Thank you. Today I went home from my internship and it was raining really hard, but thankfully my aunt picked me up. So yeah, so far I've been enjoying my internship. To me, it's like more of like an educational experience. I look forward to it the most throughout my day, since there's like no pressure, you know what I mean? Like you don't really have to learn and understand what they're learning because you're not a part of their class. And I'm assisting a 5th grade teacher for STEM. I'm not actually gonna major in STEM, but just like by communicating and like talking to the children, and also my boss slash mentor and like the other teachers in the environment, I get to learn more about them. I feel very productive when I'm there too, because I feel like I kind of am assisting them, you know? And also I'm the one that grades their tests and such. I enjoy that too, because it's just like not being a student for once, I guess. Hey Siri, what's 27 minus 12?
27 minus 12 is 15.
Right now I'm doing calculus homework, by the way, guys. I forgot to tell you. It's mainly just derivatives. That's what I'm learning for the most part. I'm not really learning anything from my other classes since I only have 3. Okay, I've done 1 out of 12 parts. I feel like it's not that hard since it's just like review and stuff. My camera died, so I had to charge it for a bit. But so far I have done 4 out of 12, and we are going to proceed. So now that SATs are over, I'm kind of like pumped, because after October passes through, it'll be a breeze the rest of senior year, because I would be done by November 1st on college applications, which means your girl is just gonna sit down in class and just do her work without worrying about anything at the moment. So yeah. Okay, I just finished one. I'm 42% done. So yay. I just finished another one. Now I'm 50% done. Yay! After filming this, I will be writing my second draft of my why school essay. I finished my personal statement, but I'm still going through like editing and stuff. But by next week, I'm pretty sure I'll be polishing that. And yeah, hopefully. I'm like scared and also excited about this process, even though it's kind of hard. And I also have to fill out financial aid stuff. I finished filing my FAFSA, but I have to do my CSS profile for some schools that I'm applying to. So yeah. Also, it's getting colder these days, so this will now be my go-to sweater. This is like my favorite sweater right now. It's my first time wearing it actually. I got it from Depop and I got it for $45, which is a steal because this is supposed to be like $120. So yeah. 58%. I have about 5 more. Also guys, I'm getting a haircut soon. My hair grew a lot and like it's not looking pretty these days, so I just need it to like even out, you know? 4, 8 times 4, 24, negative 24, negative 29. You guys don't even know what I'm talking about, but I'm like doing math in my head, I'm sorry. Fall is definitely here. I've noticed that throughout the season of tennis, it was getting a little cold. I'm really happy about this season, honestly. I'm very proud of myself, but sadly, I will be missing counties in my county, I guess, because I will be going to Greece. So I wanted to tell you guys that we are going to Greece. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog that week or just like a few days, because it might be a little difficult. We're trying, but I cannot promise you anything at the moment. But I'm really excited actually, because it's been a while since I last traveled. So yeah. Update, we only have 4 left. I'm so happy, yay. My hands are getting really cold because it is so cold out here. Like my body can't feel it because of this sweater, but it is freezing my fingers. So yeah. I keep getting this part wrong. I'm so confused, but I'm getting really annoyed. So there you go, an easy one. The thing I like about this is that even if you get one wrong, you don't really get a point less. So yeah. Okay, 75% done, but my battery is blinking again, so I might have to end this video right now. I know I didn't get to talk that much because I'm really focused on doing this, but thank you guys so much for accompanying me and helping me do the work. And I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I saw that I had close to 500 subscribers, so expect a giveaway soon. So yeah, but that is it for today's video. I'll see you guys in my next one, and I hope you all keep growing. Bye!
지옥 같은 밤 뒤 속에